las caras, tío. Vamos a empezar a mirar esto. Don't look down. Vale. Y vamos a estar todos juntos toda la temporada. Everybody, body language. Body language. No muy largo, queda mucho tiempo. Play with discipline, guys. No superhero. Now play with discipline, put the ball. Keep doing the same job. Lead pass the ball. Easy basket. La siguiente. No las. La siguiente. Me equivoco. Este momento. Play with patience. Patient. Not to try to solve the game by myself. No more complaint. No more complaint. Every time that we make it's not foul. It's the same that when we practice. Every time that we make it's not foul. So play tougher here. The last idea. Hey, I'm really proud of you. Estoy súper orgulloso. Let's go.